So today's topic is globalization of Indian economy. That is Indian economy, how Indian economy was globalized. Earlier we had studied in history portion the globalization chapter. Clear? Now in economy we will try to deal with various types of economic activities, how it take place from one country to another country. Clear? You have seen the wide variety of choice. Wide variety of choice, right? Wide variety of choice brought boom of the brand. Coming, right? We have lot of varieties of choice. Clear? That's why there has come a brand. Many types of brands came in market, and it has transformed. And the boom of the market, the boom in brand transformed the market. It has transformed the market. Clear? And variety of brands, they are full in the market. Clear? So here we can say that in national economy, in every country, there are various types of people having different choice. Let us consider the case of toothpaste. In the same class, if we make a survey, then we will find that at least 6 or 7 types of toothpaste are used, isn't it? Someone is using Patanjali toothpaste, someone using Pepsodent, someone using Close-Up, someone using Colgate, and many others, isn't it? So means there are Sensodyne, Sensodyne, many types of toothpaste you are using, Emoform. Clear? Why these number of brands came? It is because of different choices. Again, in same thing, the sector of garment is also boomed. Clear? Because of different types of choice made by new generation. ठीक है? आज की generation खादी brands they have rejected, isn't it? They are adopting various types of suiting shirtings, fabrics, and many types of polyester type clothes, as well as various types of woolen clothes. ठीक है? It has transformed the market of a country. Clear? And because of this transformation, ठीक है, markets has integrated. ठीक है, the transformation demanded integration of market. ठीक है, अलग अलग कंट्रीज की मार्केट इंटीग्रेट होने लगी, so that western clothes, you can say European clothes, you can say US clothes, and Russian clothes, they could enter in the market. This thing was possible with the process of globalization. Okay, globalization process. Understood? So in globalization, integration of markets of 2 or more than 2 countries took place. Okay? And the main transportation means main exchange of goods and services took place through trade. Okay? Globalization took place via trade. Right? When economy of 2 or more than 2 countries integrate, or when the markets of 2 or more than 2 countries interconnect, then there is free flow of trade, goods and services, isn't it? This is the global economy, and it is the globalization of economy of a country. Clear? So we can say that definition will come when economy, okay, or market of 2 or more than 2 countries, interact, okay, interact or interconnect or interlink. ठीक है? then there is free flow of goods and services via trade. Here it happens. It is because of free flow of trade, isn't it? And you can say this globalization, it has created multinational corporations. Clear? Globalization has created MNCs. Clear? And these MNCs, they are the multinational corporations are the key. They are playing key role in the globalization. Understood? And how this is possible? How multinational corporations work, isn't it? It has different system. And earlier while teaching this lesson I had explained that multinational corporations, they makes research and create design in its origin country from where it is originated. Okay? And then manufacturing takes place in such countries where cheap labors are available, isn't it? After that, packaging, it takes place in another country where more cheap labors are available, isn't it? And it is marketed in another country. Clear? That is in European countries. And in this way they are interconnected with each other. This is the function of multinational corporation, and how and in this manner they have got a cheap input because of its manufacturing process in cheap area, where government's policy, okay, government's trade barrier is liberal. You can say government is in favor of that country. ठीक है? अगर यूएस के फेवर में अपनी कंट्री है इंडिया, तो यूएस कंपनीज विल डायरेक्टली कम टू इन्वेस्ट हियर बिकॉज दे आर गेटिंग relief, relaxation, liberalization that we will study just later on. Clear? So before that, who plays a key role in this section? ठीक है? That is information and communication technology, right? And communication technology, ठीक है, plays vital role, ठीक है, vital role in globalization. Clear? This is the key role. This is the axial point, ठीक है, which spread our global network, isn't it? And we have got boom of brands. ठीक है? Brands has been boomed because of industrial revolution. We have got various types of brands. ठीक है? Because day by day, because of competition in the market, new brands came into existence. Clear? Everybody wanted to compete. Because the main key concept of successful in market is that you can produce the same thing but in different manner. ठीक है? वही टूथपेस्ट है, but they have given different name, different brand and different flavor, and it was advertised by different celebrity. है कि नहीं? And it became more popular. आज क्लोजअप का जो है सेलिब्रिटी उन्होंने चेंज कर दिया. कोलगेट की सेलिब्रिटी अलग थी, आपकी सेलिब्रिटी अलग हो गई. ठीक है? और आने वाली जनरेशन, ठीक है, वो अपनी जनरेशन की सेलिब्रिटी को जब देखेंगे, दे आर यूजिंग, दे विल डेफिनेटली अट्रैक्ट. अगर पुराने जमाने का कोई सेलिब्रिटी ले लो, सपोज एनी विलन अमरीश पुरी को अगर कोलगेट का प्रचार करा दिया जाए, राइट टू अंडरस्टैंड और लिसन, और उसके बाद अभी लेटेस्ट जनरेशन का कोई सुपरस्टार दूसरे ब्रांड को प्रमोट कर दे, तो डेफिनेटली जो नया ब्रांड है, इस जनरेशन का ब्रांड है, वो ज़्यादा सेल होगा. वो ओल्ड ब्रांड हो गया, वो नहीं सेल होगा. व्हाई इट इज सो? It is because taste has changed. Our choice. Yes, आवर चॉइस हैज चेंज्ड। आजकल के बच्चों की जो चॉइस है वो आपके पेरेंट्स की नहीं रही होगी, है कि नहीं? आपके पेरेंट्स की चॉइस ओल्ड स्टाइल की है और आपकी चॉइस दूसरी है, तो डेफिनेटली यू विल परचेज सच ब्रांड, isn't it? And in this way the successful of market depends on the choice of the people, ठीक है? And that brand is selling in large scale. This is the real means key success of globalization and marketing. Understood? So here, when you see various types of brands, you can say that market has been transformed. है कि नहीं? And multinational corporations, they have started spreading their production. ठीक है? How they spread their production? The same network, isn't it? Means research and development in main country, root country, right? Production in another country, right? Where cheap labor are available, where cheap labors are there, ठीक है? Are there, and less tax is taken by that government, ठीक है? And then packaging in tribal country, जहाँ ट्राइब्स में ज़्यादा रहते हैं, ट्राइबल कंट्री, ठीक है? एंड मार्केटिंग इन डेवलप्ड कंट्री, जो डेवलप्ड कंट्री वहाँ पे मार्केटिंग, डेवलप्ड कंट्री. दिस इज द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ मल्टीनेशनल कॉर्पोरेशन, ठीक है? सो इन दिस मैनर एग्जाम्पल हैव बीन डिस्क्राइब्ड इन योर बुक. Clear? And you can say the goods and services are produced globally and production is organized in increasingly complex ways. Your production has become very complex. Clear? Most of the countries, they select such sick countries, means sick industries of that country which is already locked up. ठीक है? ये लोग सर्च करते रहते हैं कि इंडिया में जो है कौन कौन सी कंट्रीज बंद हो चुकी हैं, ठीक है? एंड दे ट्राई, हाँ, बहुत सारी कंपनीज बंद हो जाती है, बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स बंद हो जाते हैं, लेकिन उनकी फैक्ट्री वैसी खाली पड़ी हुई है, देयर इज़ नो प्रोडक्शन. तो ये मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज उसको परचेज कर लेती हैं, दे परचेज इट, ठीक है? नहीं तो उससे पार्टनरशिप कर लेती हैं, राइट? और पार्टनरशिप करके दे यूज टू मेक ह्यूज प्रोडक्शन ऑफ लेटेस्ट चॉइस. आजकल की जो चॉइस है, आजकल की चॉइस है हल्दीराम की भुजिया, है ना, राइट? और मैगी और चाउमीन. तो ये लोग क्या करेंगे, जहाँ पे ओल्ड स्टाइल में where there is old production, so such companies which are locked up, they will purchase it and they will do this production what I have told, isn't it? In this manner they will expand market. Clear? After producing, they will have a special advertisement with celebrities of latest generation and it will come in market and everybody will like. Peoples of public school, students of public school like kurkure, isn't it? They like Haldiram ki bhujia, right? That's why its sale is increased, isn't it? Its sale is increased, isn't it? And company became profitable, right? And profit increased. So the sick industries which are locked up, they are, they were given life by multinational companies. And many people they got employment, isn't it? And they have started their living. Clear? So here we can say that totally the production it is useful that Mexico in Eastern Europe, it is very close. Mexico is close to Eastern Europe. That's why marketing takes place in Mexico and then sold in European market. Understood? And because of its closeness, it has become more profitable, right? इसी तरीके से many countries are there whose turnover is very less. Such countries, they are investment is made by multinational corporations in such countries, and they are getting profit of their liberal trade barrier. Question comes trade barrier, right? Trade barrier means the types of taxes imposed by a country on investors. जितने भी इन्वेस्टर हैं, जिस कंट्री में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं उस पर कुछ ना कुछ टैक्स वो इम्पोज करते हैं. दैट इज योर ट्रेड बैरियर. ठीक है. वाइल यू नो when they are investing in the means they wants to establish a factory, that's why they have to purchase a land, and while purchasing a land some cost is taken, isn't it, and some tax is taken, land tax. Then they have developed infrastructure, right? They have to pay GST, isn't it? So all these things, and sometimes many states they have different type of policy. They dislike such companies which create pollution. If they are not satisfying pollution control board, try to understand, then those states they impose more trade barrier. उनसे ज़्यादा ट्रेड बैरियर लेते हैं. They tells that the pollution you are creating, we have to make expenses to meet your pollution. You are creating water pollution, noise pollution and air pollution. We have to make some strategy to meet this challenge. That's why you have to pay more trade barrier, more taxes, isn't it? That government increase the percentage of trade tax. Clear? So here what happens? Tax became very complex, trade barrier became very strict. That's why very few countries they try to invest there, isn't it? So most of the companies, multinational companies, they search such countries whose policy is very liberal, whose political governments, whose government is in favor to them, okay? And in such a way so that they get some benefit, so that input should reduce, isn't it? Whatever they are going to input, it should be low, isn't it? Such type of countries people search, means multinational corporations search such countries. Clear? How it becomes possible? Most of the countries who are developing, they attract investors by doing liberalization. ठीक है, means they used to reduce trade barrier. Liberalization means reduction of trade barrier. Very simple definition. ठीक है, when a country reduces its trade barrier, then we will say that it has liberalized its policy. ठीक है, that the process is known as liberalization. Clear? So many countries they wants to attract such investments. ठीक है, that's why they bring relaxation. They give subsidy. They just give relief in the tariff, ठीक है, to such countries who are investing. They will definitely say that till 3 years you have to pay no GST. Please come and make investment in our country and make a bottling plant of Campa Cola. We will not take any type of trade barrier for 3 years. तो वो तो बहुत खुशी से जा करके अपनी फैक्ट्री लगा देंगे. And generally what happens? Not standard, right? So generally it happens such things. Clear? So we can say that trade barrier, it is one of the hurdles in the path of this one. Your such country. Okay? Don't worry, it will stop it. Stop itself. तो यहाँ पे आपने समझ लिया सबने how production across countries takes place. I have already told research and development takes place in main country, ठीक है. Then production takes place in such country where labors are cheap, ठीक है, and there are less taxes, ठीक है, subsidy are given, policy is liberal, right, and packaging takes place near market. If there is a market in Europe, then packaging takes place in Mexico because it is close to Eastern Europe. That's why packaging is done. Clear? And finally marketing is done in developed countries like European continents. Understood? So here we have got a special means we can say how multinational companies they spread their production. इसी तरह से अपनी production को फैलाते हैं. Right? Now we will try to discuss interlinking production across countries. Okay? How countries are interlinked with us. towards production. Interlinking production towards, that is interlinking production, क्या है आगे, towards across countries. ठीक है, how these production are interlinked across countries. This is your topic. Across countries. Clear? Most of the entrepreneurs, industrialists, when they become fed up with the government's policy, ठीक है, when taxes increases, means trade barriers becomes strict day by day, then what will happen? These industrialists takes new decision, understand, and they tries to establish the branches of that factories in another country whose government's policy is liberal, understand, and they try to search market also. They try to search such production units which is very cheaper, ठीक है, who is ready to get finance, and countries are not providing finance, right? Then these multinational companies, they starts providing finance to such companies who are sick, ठीक है, who are locked because of certain regions, understand. So these companies, they have got a interconnectedness. Here we are going to discuss about investment and foreign investment, ठीक है, that is investment क्या होता है, means when multinational corporations, multinational companies, ठीक है, right, हाँ set up units in another country, ठीक है, and develop and purchase land, makes infrastructure, right, installs machines of latest technology, ठीक है, then we say that company has invested, ठीक है, we say that company has invested, right, and this thing is known as investment. Company has invested, clear, and this process is known as investment, ठीक है. When companies invest in foreign countries, then it is called foreign investment, ठीक है. When MNC invest in foreign country, then it is known as foreign investment. Here इसे वहाँ foreign investment करेंगे, clear. So this becomes a foreign investment. Any investment is made with the hope that assets will earn profit, ठीक है, with the hope to earn profit, ठीक है, clear, understand. Investment is made with the hope to earn profit. कोई ये थोड़ी सोचेगा मेरा घाटा हो, ये सोच के कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट ही नहीं करेगा. होप यही होता है कि देयर वुड बी प्रॉफिट, ठीक है. दैट्स व्हाई पीपल यूज टू मेक इन्वेस्टमेंट, क्लियर. सो व्हेन मल्टीनेशनल कॉर्पोरेशन सेट अप प्रोडक्शन, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. अभी 5 मिनट अभी आपका वीडियो कम पड़ रहा है, ओके, ठीक है. तो क्या है कि जॉइंटली विद सम ऑफ द लोकल कंपनीज ऑफ द कंट्रीज, हाउ इन्वेस्टमेंट इज डन. with joint, ठीक है, venture. Companies makes joint venture with existing company of that country. They makes partnership or partnership. Clear? In this way, these companies used to make investment, and MNC can provide money for additional investment. ठीक है? MNC provide money for additional investment. और ज़्यादा अगर इन्वेस्ट करना है तो मनी प्रोवाइड करेंगे, राइट? इन्वेस्टमेंट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कारगिल फूड्स, ठीक है? कारगिल फूड्स के साथ यही प्रॉब्लम थी, राइट? पहले वो कंपनी जो थी, इट वाज सिक, राइट? व्हेन अ मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी परचेज्ड इट, देन इट्स कंडीशन वाज इम्प्रूव्ड. दैट वी विल डिस्कस लेटर ऑन. और ये इन्वेस्टमेंट किसमें करते हैं? दे यूज्ड टू बाई मनी, मीन्स दे यूज्ड टू बाई मशीन्स ऑफ लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी. ठीक है? इन्वेस्टमेंट इज मेड इन द मशीन्स, इन द टेक्नोलॉजी लेटेस्ट. पुरानी आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी की मशीनें पड़ी हैं, उससे आउटपुट अच्छा नहीं मिल रहा है, तो वो क्या करेगी, आपके साथ जॉइंट वेंचर करके वो सारी मशीनें रिप्लेस कर देगी. ठीक है? अब आपके पास हाई एफिशिएंसी की मशीन आ गई, तो आपका प्रोडक्शन एंड क्वालिटी इंक्रीज्ड, isn't it? And once it is increased, then consumer will like it. है कि नहीं भाई? अच्छी क्वालिटी मार्केट में आएगी, कहेंगे अरे ये तो सियाराम शूटिंग शर्टिंग का बहुत बेकार कपड़ा आता था, तो बहुत बढ़िया आने लगा, है कि नहीं? लोगों में मैसेज करता है. And secondly, MNCs might bring with them the latest technology for production. ठीक है? They brings latest technology for production. ये मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज के वर्क है, ठीक है? They brings latest technology of production. Here, और इस तरीके से you have got some more thing. What the most common route for MNC investment? MNC का most common route of MNC production, ठीक है? वो क्या है पता है? हाँ, they purchase cheap garments, footwear and various other commodities from such local companies who are unknown to people. ठीक है? अननोन सोर्सेज से जो है ये प्रोडक्शन ले लेते हैं. उसके बाद क्या करते हैं? दे स्टिक देयर लेबल, अपना लेबल उस पर लगा देते हैं अपने ब्रांड का. ठीक है? एंड इट बिकम्स अ न्यू ब्रांड. तो ये लोग चीपर कंपनीज को ऑर्डर दे करके बनवा लेंगे, उसके बाद जो है उस पर अपना जो है लगा करके लेबल और मार्केट में लॉन्च कर देंगे बाया ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग. लोग कहेंगे अरे बहुत बढ़िया हुडी आई हुई है. हुडीज पहनते हैं ना आप लोग, किसी लोकल कंपनी से बनवा लिया, राइट? और उस पर जो है मेड इन यूके लिख दिया, राइट? आप लोग ऑनलाइन सर्च कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है, कलरफुल है, तुरंत ऑर्डर कर दिए, है कि नहीं? ये सब मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज के फायदे हैं. क्लियर? तो ये सब जो है इसी तरह से कारगिल फूड का एग्जाम्पल है. ठीक है? हाँ, बस बोलिए. A very large American multinational company, कारगिल फूड, बस इसी को समझ लो. बस कारगिल फूड, ठीक है? चलो, टुमारो वी विल डिस्कस.